Welcome to the Global Series Consumer Electronics Show. Shenzhen Viewplay Co-Limited was established in 2005 in Taipei, focusing on turnkey solutions for system design over 14 years, from PCBA to complex time-to-market turnkey system. In 2015, we set up our subsidiary Viewplay in Shenzhen to provide immediate communication and efficient integration service. With proprietary protocol and private chipset, we provide amazing wireless transmitter products with high-quality video resolution, 4K at 1080 pixels, and ease of use, plug and play, which are sold in the US, in Europe, and in Asia. We even develop private apps for customers to control devices in both iOS and Android. Our customers covers areas including hospitals, schools, enterprises, and governments. Visit our website to learn more.